hole for our hinge bracket. Starting with our center drill, we're going to face it first, so come in. Bring the face up. Change out your center drill or your 6mm drill bit. Slide him in, bring him up, get him close. Now remember we're going down 11mm, so we want to set the size here to something that's easy to work with. So I've got it at 35, starting going down to 46, going down 11mm. Just look at the size here. And that's our hinges done. Alright. So now we've got our hole in our hinges. Both been machined, both been cleaned up. We're good to go.